Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have yet another exciting recipe for you. So let's waste no more time and let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin. We are going to you can take any kind of a blender and 1 cup of tightly packed spinach leaves. Chop it up, break it up with your hands and fill it in your 1 cup. It should be nice and tightly packed. Now I'm putting in 2 medium eggs. If your eggs are very small, you can add another one. Don't worry, the recipe won't go bad. Now I wanted to show you the consistency after you put the eggs. It should be this watery consistency. Now you can also add any herbs and spices of your choice. I've left it to just 2 ingredients. Now on the stove top, I've taken a pan, a non-stick pan, and I've lightly brushed it with some ghee. You can also use butter, you can also use olive oil, avocado oil, whatever oil. Now this mixture will make 2 huge wraps. So I've put half the mixture in, 12 such that it goes to all the ends of your pan. Allow it to cook on a medium heat slowly and steadily for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I've flipped it over. They are well cooked. The other side doesn't really need to cook anymore, but just for safety I've done it. Look at the beautiful green color. And now I'm going to show you how pliable and soft these are once I pull it out of the pan. So I think it's ready now, and there you go. Fill it in with your favorite fillings, store it in the refrigerator for a few days. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.